So hello guys, if your driver is not working, so you can do one thing. If your driver is not working, especially this software, buy Razer BlackShark 7.1 surround sound is not working. What you can do, you install this driver, software. Then go to the search option right below there. Type device DEV. You will get device manager. Okay, like this way. It will come like this way, and this is the you go to the audio input and outputs right on the top. You can install all these drivers, install device, all install you have to install all this device. And after that, you have to restart the computer and also go for the, settings and Windows update. You may search for the updates. After that, it will take the drivers automatically and all of the, sometimes unnecessary drivers have, blocked the uses of block affect the users of this software, which will not affect. And after that, restart, you will install this software, 7.1 surround sound, and your headphone will work very perfectly. Sometimes happens that lots of driver affect the performance of this headphone, which is I was also facing that I have some unnecessary softwares which was affecting. Let me just give you example of that. Right now, as you can go to, let me just give you some examples. Like I have installed some, sounds like, some softwares which was affecting, like effects, sound, you know, I installed these things which was affecting me, which I installed, then it would work very well. These are the softwares which are affecting my performance. When I removed them all, and after that, my PC was working very well. And everything was working very well. You can choose from speaker to headphone anytime, and you can listen to the sound. If your audio jack is plugged in with the headphone, 3.5, and no problem will come. So remember that first you have to install all these drivers, then restart the PC and update, then install this software, and everything will work very fine. And you can also go to this one. There is a sound option. You can also check that a speaker sound, one sound is connected. Whenever I want to listen to the sound of the PC speakers, and I can change to this speaker. So it is very convenient and working very well. So remember what settings I have told you, and you will not face any problem. So bye bye guys, and don't forget to follow me. And also you have to if you have interest crypto, you can follow me on for the crypto tradings, which is like you can go to my website, which is name is cryptochill. This is how my channels look. You can go to that, and I come most of the time live. These are my live videos. You can go and check and open the accounts like Vintage and Big X. You can also can do that. These are the accounts links. So follow me, open accounts, and it will help me a lot. So bye bye, guys.